everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Kryptex, a Windows application that pays you for the computing power of your PC. So what Kryptex basically does is combine the processing power of thousands of computers to run complex distributed cryptocurrency computations. So all you have to do is just let the app run in the background and you will get paid for the work your computer does. As you can see, your earnings depend on what type of device you're using. So basically, if you're using a gaming PC, you will earn about $95 per month. If you're using a mining rig, you will make around $600 per month. And if you're using a mining farm that has 36 rigs, you will earn about $14,000 per month. And it also comes down to your PC's processing power and luck. How do we get started with this app? It's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is download the app, create an account, keep it running, and get paid. Once you create an account, you will see that there are multiple tasks you need to complete in order to level up. Tasks such as downloading and running the app or mine for 24 hours without interruptions, and each of these tasks represent one level. When it comes to withdrawing your earnings, if you go to the request payment section, you will see multiple currencies that you can withdraw, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollars, euros, etc. And under each of these currencies, you will see different withdrawing methods, such as Visa or MasterCard, Amazon gift cards, UnionPay, and many more. And if you're interested about the fees, which it should be, all you have to do is go to the products section and click on fees, and then this page will appear where you can see all of the fees that you will have to pay depending on the withdrawing method that you select. They also have this section called Best Mining GPUs, where you can find a long list of GPUs, how much they cost, how much profit would they bring you, and also the number of payback days. And also, if you want to calculate the profitability of an entire farm, all you have to do is just go to this mining calculator, select the graphics card that you would like to use, and enter your electricity price, and then you just click on calculate to find out how much profit to expect. If you do not afford to get your own GPUs, you can just rent some from Kryptex, and as you can see, they will increase the productivity of your project, they will cut your data processing time, and will also save you some money. Kryptex also has an ideas section where people can add ideas that would improve the app, and other users can vote them and hopefully make them visible to the creators of the app so they can implement them to make things easier. And lastly, I would like to tell you guys about another way that can get you some extra money, and that is through their affiliate program, which basically means that every time you use your affiliate link to invite a person to join the app and they do sign up for an account, you will receive 3% of their earnings. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.